Good morning and welcome back to this absolutely stunning view. We are still up at the O'Reilly's Rainforest Retreat. If you didn't watch the episode before this one, this is actually part 2 of our time up at O'Reilly's. We've got 4 nights up here and we are 2 nights in, so we still have 2 full days to go. It is Saturday and we're leaving on Monday. What you can see here, this is the view, the morning view from our Valley View Villa here at O'Reilly's. So O'Reilly's is about 1,000 metres above sea level, so it's right up in the mountains. It's surrounded by rainforest. There's lots of amazing things to do up here. There are lots of hiking trails, walking trails. O'Reilly's itself has a lot of activities you can do. If you watched the vlog, the previous week's vlog, you will have seen that we've already done a few of the walks. We did the bird show. We went on the glowworm tour. And there's a bunch of activities that we're not even doing that are on the list. If I get the activity sheet out later, I will show you. But yeah, so we're up here and as you can see, the weather just continues to be unreal. We just could not have asked for better weather. Beautiful blue skies. Ooh, if the camera will focus, there we go. We're in early winter up here, so daytime temperatures are around 14 to 16 degrees and nighttime temperatures are around 0 to maybe 3 degrees. So it is cold. I suspect as we get into July and September, it will be a lot colder. We're up here in June. But yeah, so we're just having the best time. It's just been such a luxury sort of a trip. The villa is absolutely stunning. I'll flip the camera around and I'll show you. We've obviously made it our home. But yeah, so I will continue to take you along with us. Today, what we're going to do is just sort of wake up properly this morning, have a cup of tea, and then we're going to head up to the main lodge. At the main lodge, they have a dining room that does like a buffet breakfast, but they also have a cafe and a bar. So we're going to be going to the cafe similar to what we did yesterday, and we're going to be having the breakfast there. And then from there, the plan is we're going to try and do the trail out to Python Rock. The weather's beautiful for it, so hopefully that will be spectacular. And then we'll probably come back to the villa and have some lunch. And then this afternoon we have booked in a 4-wheel drive tour around the mountain. So that should be absolutely amazing. I will take you along for as much of it as I can. But yes, that's the plan for the day. God, look at that view. It's just amazing. Absolutely amazing.
he's got 2 cars.
Yeah, I know. We're just leaving our little villa now and we're going to head up to the main lodge to have breakfast. The white building you can see in front of us is the day spa. We will be going there tomorrow. But this, where our villa is, it's actually sort of in a little village of villas. There's quite a number of them here. And they're just sort of set away from the main lodge. Ooh, the sun today. We've just got... So we're just having breakfast in the cafe. I've got poached eggs on gluten-free bread. I had the gluten-free bread yesterday. It was absolutely amazing. Mum has scrambled eggs with bacon. And we just have this amazing view out here. So we're just about to head on to the Python Rock Trail. So it's 3.1 kilometers return. It should be through rainforest and there should be a really beautiful lookout at the end. So we're just about to start that trail now.
Don't forget you've got gloves.
Yes. Mum is reminding me of my gloves because it's quite cold in here today. It probably, I'd say it's a lot colder than yesterday in the rainforest. It was 9 degrees outside, sort of on the road, but when you come into the rainforest and it's shaded like this, it is very fresh. My face, we've been only out here a couple of minutes and my face is going numb. So I've got gloves and I've got a scarf and we've got sort of warm, fluffy jackets on, but we didn't bring our big winter parkas, so maybe we should have done that. So this is just the view from Python Rock, and that is Moran Falls that you can see in front of you. Absolutely breathtaking. The view from the lookout at Python Rock was absolutely amazing. Just that mountain range. I'm pretty sure that's the range that we can see from the villa, from our room there. The mountains sort of looked very similar, so I'm pretty sure that's the same one. Moran Falls also looked beautiful. You could hear the waterfall from the lookout. I don't know if it came through on camera though. But yes, we're just heading back now. Yes, so Mum and I were just saying we're definitely fair weather hikers. We're not somebody who wants to hike in the rain or anything like that, and that was definitely the sort of, I suppose it's not even really a hike, it was definitely more of a walk given how short it was. But that's sort of the type of walk that we like to do. Just beautiful scenery, nice even grade, you know, an hour and a half, and then yeah, a beautiful lookout at the end with that amazing, I suppose one of the words you could use was majestic. Quite a majestic vista at the end there from the lookout. So yes, absolutely worth the walk. If you're ever in this area, do the Python Rock Trail. If you can hear that bird call, we have learned that that is the eastern whiptail, and you can hear the call is quite, sort of sounds like a whip crack. So that's the call of the male. If there's a female close by, she makes a little two-toned return call. I don't know if you could hear that one. That was the male, and then the female made the return call.
that tropical, subtropical border is line of Capricorn. So above line of Capricorn, above the city of Rockhampton, we are tropical. When you go to the Cairns, towards Cairns or Day Creek.
Yeah.
And when we are below that, we are subtropical. It's the same rainforest, lot of similar species. The major difference is when you go to the north, you can see the different strata, different layers. We call it canopy, sub-canopy, shrub, herb layers. When you come to the south, basically press sandwich. You can't distinguish the layers. It's shortened and compressed. It's like there. These are eucalypts. So just if I take the vehicle here, now vehicle front is in the eucalypt forest, back is in the rainforest.
Wow.
Right? So this sharp boundary is outcome of dry wind hitting this landscape during the 4 months of the year.
So we got back from the 4-wheel drive tour a little while ago and we have had our showers, we have poured ourselves a drink and we are just sitting back in the villa and we've ordered some in-room dining. We've got some hand-cut chips, we've got a carnivore pizza and we've got a vegetarian pizza, gluten-free with ham added to it. Looks absolutely amazing. And we're going to dig into this tonight. I'm actually just going to sign off for tonight. The 4-wheel drive tour was just so much fun. Going in that little vehicle, it felt like he was driving, 100 kilometers an hour. He was going 20 k's an hour, but we definitely off-roaded. We saw some beautiful scenery. We had, I shot some clips of the view that we got. It was a really exceptional tour. We enjoyed it immensely. The tour guide was he was an absolute sweetheart. Very, very funny. He knew what he was talking about. It was very informative. And yeah, we had a great time. So we are just all cozied up back now in the villa, all rugged up and warm. And I will wish you all a good night. I will see you tomorrow morning for our last full day here in O'Reilly's. Good morning. We have another absolutely stunning day here at O'Reilly's. We have truly just been blessed with this weather. Doesn't feel as cold today either, but I still cannot get over that view. Oh my gosh. I shall miss this tomorrow when we head home. So today we've just had quite a lazy start to the day. It's about 9 o'clock now. We're just getting ready and we're going to go up to the main lodge for some breakfast. And then from there, we might just sort of see where the day takes us. We might do a little walk, we might do an animal encounter, we'll see. And then this afternoon at about 3:15, we've got some massages booked at the day spa, which is very, very luxurious. I'm very excited about that. But yes, that's sort of the plan for the day. We might go out and have some lunch and then just have dinner in the room. We've got some leftover pizza and stuff, so we might do that for dinner. And then tomorrow we're heading home. But yeah, another absolutely beautiful day here. We're not very adventurous with breakfast. We've just got the same thing again, poached eggs on gluten-free, and then just scrambled eggs on toast with a side of avocado. So we've just set off on the trails. Today we're going to attempt the Picnic Rock Trail. It's 7.1 kilometers return, so it'll be the longest one that we're doing while we're here. Mum's asthmatic, and because it's so cold, we're just wanting to play it safe. We don't want her to have an asthma attack when we get down to the bottom. So we're just setting off now. Should take us maybe an hour and a half to get down to Picnic Rock. There is a Waterfalls when we get down there, but I'm pretty sure they've said to get to the falls it's all rock hopping, which just might be a little bit too much, and we may not have the time because we are heading to the day spa this afternoon. So we're just at the top of Falls here. So this water that you can see, that's rushing over the edge of the cliff, and it actually goes into a waterfall, which is Alemba. We have made it back from our 7-kilometer walk. The top of top of Alamba Falls at Picnic Rock there. It was absolutely beautiful. Very proud of Mum for making the 7-kilometre return trip. It was quite, particularly around where the falls were uphill. It was, yeah, quite an incline, lots of roots, rocks. We had to rock hop a little bit. But anyway, we're back at the room now, and I wanted to show you, I mentioned the other day that I would show you the activities that they have here. So this is this week's activity schedule, so you can sort of see on there what activities there are. And then this is the national park map. So having a look on here, O'Reilly's is just here. We've done the treetop walk, we've done Glowworm Gully, we've done the Wishing Tree, Mike's Tower, we have done... So today we went out to here, so that's Picnic Rock there, you'll see, and O'Reilly's is up here. So that's the walk we did today. And then Python Rock, which is the walk we did yesterday, is this one here. So we've definitely done a few walks. I think we've done maybe about 14.5 kilometres in total. As I said, we're not big hikers or walkers, whatever you want to call it. We're certainly amateurs with it. But we've really enjoyed our time doing all the walks. They've been absolutely beautiful. So we're just in the change rooms at the spa.
The door do what? This.
We've just finished the 90-minute deep tissue massage and the foot recovery. Oh my goodness, it was like the best, probably one of the best massages I've ever had. It was just heavenly. It was definitely a good idea to end this trip at the spa and with the massage. And look at this amazing sunset view we have from the spa. From here, we're probably just going to head back to the villa and have a really easy, chilled dinner. And then tomorrow morning we'll have breakfast and then we're going to head off home. So I might actually just leave this episode here. I hope you've absolutely loved coming along and seeing all the scenery and all the things we've been getting up to while we're up at O'Reilly's. If you haven't enjoyed, please subscribe and I will catch you in the next video. See you later.